Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Paul. Hi, everyone. Charlie, you look excited today. What's the plan?
Oh, yes. Today we're talking about something special, how to learn English through short stories.
Short stories? That sounds fun already. I love stories. They make me feel like a kid again.
Me too. And you know what? Sometimes the best way to learn is to feel like a kid again. Curious, relaxed, and open.
That's true. When we enjoy something, we learn faster, without stress.
Exactly. So let's show our viewers how stories can make English simple.
Charlie, do you remember the first English story you ever read?
Yes, it was a very short story about a little bird learning to fly. The sentences were simple, but the message stayed with me.
I love that. And that's the magic of stories. They stay in our mind.
Right. When you read short stories, you learn vocabulary in context. You don't just memorize words, you feel them.
And you also learn grammar naturally. You see how sentences work without studying long rules.
One more thing, stories improve your thinking. You imagine scenes, hear voices, and connect ideas in English.
That's so true. And learners don't need long books. Even a 1-minute story can help a lot.
Yes, start small. Read one short story a day. Then repeat it. Speak it out loud. Try to retell it in your own words.
That simple habit can change your English level in a few weeks.
So the lesson is simple. When you enjoy English, you learn English.
And stories make learning enjoyable, emotional, and easy to remember.
Keep going, friends. Your English journey is beautiful. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment.